And here's the one you've definitely seen. The dramatic videos of the dark, almost black material in the line. If you've been feeling off, tired in a way that sleep doesn't fix, foggy, inflamed, like your body's quietly working against you, I want you to hear me say this clearly. It's not in your head and it's not your fault. What if one afternoon could do more for your energy than 2 years of supplements ever did? Without changing your diet, your schedule, or swallowing another pill. You're carrying a toxic load no generation before you has ever had to carry. Glyphosate, microplastics, forever chemicals, it's in the water, the food, the air, and right now it's in your bloodstream. Your body's been trying to tell you, you just haven't had a way to listen. It's not your thyroid, it's not your age, it's not your willpower. The real reason you feel broken is sitting in your bloodstream right now. And there's one machine that can actually flush it out. 10 years ago, I watched patients do everything right. Clean eating, every supplement, real discipline, and still feel terrible. It made no sense to me. Then I saw what was actually in their blood. I've not practiced medicine the same way since. You've seen the videos, the dark, black clots supposedly leaving someone's body during the blood treatment. I'm gonna tell you the truth, the loud marketers won't. Those aren't toxins. That's your blood being destroyed. Let me show you what real blood cleansing actually looks like. You are living in the most chemically saturated moment in human history. Your grandparents didn't have this problem. You do. Glyphosate, the weed killer, is now showing up in the blood and urine of the majority of people tested. It's been in the headlines, it's been in the courts, and it's been in your food supply for decades. Microplastics have been found in human blood, in lungs, in your brain, even in places we never thought they could reach. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your blood is carrying a toxic load no generation before you has ever had to carry. This is why your body is drowning. Your body was built with a brilliant detox system. Your liver, your kidneys, your lymph, it's designed to clean house every single day. But that system was designed for a world that no longer exists. It was never built to filter this much, this often, and for this long. So it falls behind. But when your detox organs fall behind, you feel it. The fatigue that coffee can't touch, the brain fog, the joint pain, the flare-ups, the autoimmune conditions where your body seems to be attacking itself. Most of medicine answers this by managing the symptom. A pill for the pain, a pill for the sleep, a pill for the pill. I want to talk to you about something different. Something that works upstream. It's called EBU, extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonization. Let me make it simple. Extracorporeal just means outside the body. We draw your blood, we filter it through a specialized medical filter while saturating it with medical grade ozone and oxygen. Then we return it to you, cleaner, more oxygenated, and supported in a way your overloaded system can't pull off on its own right now. So who is this actually for? Two kinds of people walk through our doors. The first has been fighting for a long time. Autoimmunity, chronic fatigue, chronic illness, the labyrinth of specialists where everyone treats a piece and nobody treats you. If that's you, I've spent years helping people in exactly that position come back to life. The second is already healthy and wants to stay that way. The high performer, the parent who refuses to slow down, the person who feels fine but knows fine isn't the same as vibrant. EBU isn't only damage control. It's how people who are already well get to feel sharper, more energized, more alive. Whichever one you are, this is about getting your body back to a state where it can actually heal again. Now, not all EBU is the same, and this is where I need you to pay close attention, because there's a lot of noise out there. We use the machine from Trigen Kaizen. It's the original, and it's the best. The flow rate can be controlled of your blood. The volume of ozone delivered is fine-tuned exactly for you. The filtration, the depth of the detox is higher, and we can actually remove what doesn't belong. This is the difference between a treatment that works with your body and one that works against your body. A wave of copycat machines has flooded the market. They look similar, they're not the same. And here's the one you've definitely seen. The dramatic videos of the dark, almost black material in the line. The pitch is always the same. Look at all the toxins coming out of you. I'm going to tell you the truth, because integrity is the whole point at this clinic. That dark material is not toxins. That's your blood being damaged. When the machine pushes too much ozone or it's run with the wrong techniques, it ruptures your blood cells. It's called hemolysis. And that's what turns the blood dark and thick on screen. Let that land. They're destroying your red blood cells to create a scary visual that sells the proof. The proof is the problem. A properly calibrated machine run by people who know what they're doing should not blow up your blood. So if you're doing this right, you won't see that dramatic horror movie clot, and that is exactly what you want. Let me tell you a little why I can say all that with confidence. I started practice as a Gonstead chiropractor, one of the most precise, hands-on disciplines in all of the chiropractic field. I've been in practice for over a decade, I lecture internationally, and I've gone deep, extensive into functional medicine because I refuse to stop at managing symptoms. For years now, I've helped patients walk back from autoimmunity, chronic illnesses, and toward real health. And I've helped people who are already healthy feel more vibrant, more vital, and more connected to their lives. Here's what I believe. All the way down, your body was designed to heal. My job is not to override that design. It's clear what's in the way. Let it do what it was made to do. Now, two honest questions usually come up, and let me answer them head on. But Dr. Lars, I'll have to travel for this. You might. And we don't pretend that's nothing, so we'll cover a portion of your travel to make it easier to get here. People come from out of state for this on purpose, because the few who do it right are worth the trip. And the second, what about the cost? I'll be straight with you. Cheap, temporary fixes feel like a deal until you add up years of them. The endless copays, the next prescription, the patch that wears off so you're back again next month. That's not cheap. That's expensive on a slow timer. This is a different kind of investment. It's not a patch. It's a solution built to get your body back to a state where it can heal itself. So you're spending less time and less money just chasing symptoms for the rest of your life. So here's what I want you to do. If anything I said today felt like I was describing your body, the fatigue, the fog, the fight, or if you're already well and you're ready to feel genuinely vibrant, click the link below, book a discovery call with my team. We'll talk about where you are, what you've already tried, and whether EBU at Connection is the right next step for you. No pressure, just real conversation about getting your health and your life back. Your body was designed to heal, so let's give it a chance too. I'll see you on the inside.